everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amara. I'm the owner of Snuggling Knit Designs, and in today's video we are making another chunky knit blanket. I got this order last week, I believe, and I want to knock it out today so the blanket can go to its forever home. The colors the clients requested are navy blue, blush pink, and white. I'm going to be combining these three colors in one blanket. As always, I had to graph it out to see how to maneuver the color palette and include all the colors. And I think this is really going to be nice when we're done. Of course, I have my lighter and scissors to change the colors, and I'll be taking you along with me as I make this blanket, showing you how I cast on the body, change the colors, and then finish and show you what the blanket looks like at the end when we are done. I'll be putting a link in the description below where you can get these colors with a discount code. If you're interested in that, I'd really appreciate it. It's like an affiliate link to just support me in what I'm doing. And without further much yippee yappy, let's get into it. So to start, of course, I'm going to be starting with my cast on. This is how I do a slip knot. And you want to have your cast on about 3 fingers wide. So now the cast on for this blanket is going to be 30. So I'm going to be doing that real quick. So after I'm done casting on, I'm going to flip this over to pull through the middle palms. So I have a video explaining why I do this, and then another method that you can use. I'll be putting the link in the description if you want to see why I do through the middle bumps and the other method you can also use and the differences that comes with the both of them. We're done with 2 things. We've casted on, we've pulled the first row of the colors, and this is what the border is looking like. So now the fun begins. So for the first block of colors, I'm going to be knitting 6 rows of blue before changing the colors. So it's just basic knit stitches, just pulling through, but the blue is going to have 6 rows before I change to another color. Okay, so I've knitted 6 rows of the blue. Now I'm going to be changing the colors here to the blush pink. Okay, so I'm going to be changing to the blush pink here. Okay. This is where the lighter comes into play. Some people like to tie in knots. Some people like to sew it together. I, on the other hand, prefer to burn it together. Ugh, that is wrong. Should have done it the other way. So, as always, when I'm done fusing it together, I kind of press it down to make sure they melt into each other. Then I pull on it to make sure it's not coming apart. Okay, and once I'm satisfied that it's not coming apart, we go back to knitting. Just one pink, one white, one pink again, then another 6 rows of blue. Okay guys, so far this is what it's looking like. I've done 6 blue, one of each of these, then another 6 blue. According to my graph, we are going to be adding the pink here. We're going to add the pink and do another 6 rows of that. And after that, we'll do one white, one blue, one pink, and just continue like that. You I probably would be putting the pattern up on my Etsy shop. If you are interested in getting it, it will be available on the Etsy. But that's what we're doing right now. The blanket size is going to be 40 by 60. So if you want it smaller than that, you might want to delete a few rows. If you want it smaller, you delete a few rows. If you want it larger, that means your cast on will be more than 30. Instead of 30, you might have 35 or 40, depending on the size that you want it to be on. Then when I'm done, I'll be also on the pattern, I'll be saying how much of each yarn of each color that I used. So this is what the pattern is looking like. So we are here. So once we're done with this one, we'll just continue like this, and it's easy. It's just basic knit stitches. You just have to be changing the colors, not so frequently, but frequently. Hi guys, welcome back. So this is what the blanket is looking like. This blanket is so gorgeous. It is so gorgeous. So let me pull it up. It's just repetitive. So this is what the bottom is looking like. I have 2 blue, 2 pink, then 2 white, and then a third, like the white is 3 rows. So the third one kind of demarcates the bottom and the top part. So from here is just like a duplicate of down there. You can see the 2 blues, but these colors are so gorgeous together. Oh my god. The colors, the pattern is so beautiful. So we're going to be casting off now. The blanket is so gorgeous. Like this blanket is so beautiful. I am not exaggerating that. So to cast off, I am going to double knit the end. So I've knitted one. I'm going to knit another one to make it 2. This is the only time I double knit the ends. So this is my preferred way to cast off. Pull over. And when you're casting off, you want to make sure that this is still about 3 fingers wide so it doesn't affect the shape or the size of the blanket. You can also adjust it. If you feel it's too tight, you see that the blanket is coming really close together. That's how you know that the loops are really small and you need to increase it. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share this video with anyone who you think is going to be helpful. I'll be putting links to the colors that I used in the description box below. Then also the pattern for this blanket will be made available on my Etsy shop. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye.